Hi, it's Dear Lizzy here. I'm just so excited to share with you my newest collection. It's called Here and Now. It's a very colorful and carefree collection. It has a bit of summer, but you can also use it just with everyday stuff. This is a really cute product, just the stickers, and it shows just a good mix of, we have like the tropical plants and the flowers, and then some really fun icons, even the little gummy bear. There's some phrase stickers and then the alphabet stickers, and these are called flip-flop, and they're layered with different colors and they feel like a flip-flop reminiscent of summer. And this is a puffy sticker skew. This is one of my favorites, and then you can just see the mix of all the fun elements. There's some bits. This one's really cute. You can't eat these, but you want to. It's the gummy bears and the sprinkles. And then washi tape, super fun. These are paper clips with the cute icons on top. And then we have some more stickers here. Paper is always my favorite, it always has my heart. And this is just a quick flip through. These have gold accents as well. And then we have the box cards. You can build on top of the cards, and then there's some that are just ready to pop into an envelope. Those are really fun to have on hand. And then this is the specialty paper. It has this cool iridescent effect on the acetate with the floral design. And then just a quick look at all the papers. Papers are my favorite. I love them. This is a really pretty, one of my favorites. The pattern on the back. And then there's this lemon is really fun. And then we have some more tropical. There's kind of a retro feel in some of the patterns.
Cherries.
This one, you guys need this one?
Yeah, we need this one.